My name is Kaushal Doshi. We are from VK Group Bombay. We've come here to for the Hyderabad show. It's there from 3 days and it's held every year by UBM. It's a very great platform for us to showcase our products, and retailers all over the south they come here to buy for the season, and it's a very good platform. And I think the show is a grand success, and it's there for 3 days, so it's perfect for everyone, and it's a very good show, especially for people from the regional Andhra Pradesh. Everybody comes, all the retailers come here to buy and source their goods. So I think it's a very good platform. The specialty of the exhibition is that it's about the timing, and the retailers from all across the country they come here to show their products, and so it's a very good buying opportunity for all the retailers. Our product, we specialize in, we cater only to the South Indian market, and we specialize in open setting, close setting, and temple jewelry. Details means close setting jewelry. It's made in 22 carat gold and diamonds, and we are mainly diamond jewelers. So everything, all our products will have diamonds in it, and that is our strength. Yeah, and we have also taken up partners with a Swiss brand named Milray, and we are partners with them, and we market it throughout the India. So whatever watches come, they come from our office, and we have a lot of retailers in Hyderabad, Vizag, who showcase our products, and it's a shop-in-shop concept. So they have these counters, and where our watches are sold. Future plan is that now the diamond prices have shot up this year, and the business is good. The whole environment is very good, healthy. So we hope to do a lot of business, especially in Hyderabad, and I think it's a great platform. We have offices in Bombay, Bangalore, and Chennai.